In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet with an invite link, which is a quick and simple process that can greatly enhance your virtual meeting experiences. Whether you're joining for a business meeting, a casual catch-up, or an educational session, being able to join seamlessly is essential. First, let's talk about receiving that invite link. Typically, you might receive this link through various platforms such as your email, a chat message, or even a calendar event. Once you've located the invite in your email or wherever it was sent, simply click on that link to get started. Upon clicking the invite link, it will automatically open in your web browser. For the best experience, it's recommended to use Google Chrome, as it tends to integrate smoothly with Google services, enhancing your overall connectivity and experience. However, most modern browsers should work just fine if Chrome is unavailable. The important thing here is to make sure your browser is up to date, as this can prevent unnecessary connection issues or display errors. If this is your first time using Google Meet, or if you are not currently signed into your Google account, you will likely be prompted to sign in. Use your Google account credentials to proceed. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity and allocates the appropriate permissions for you to join the meeting. If you're signed in already, this step might be bypassed automatically. Next, you will come across two possible options after signing in, and the web page loads: ask to join or join now. You might see the ask to join option if the meeting organizer has set up a waiting room or approval system. In this case, simply click ask to join and you'll be placed in a virtual lobby until the host grants you access. If the situation allows you to enter directly, you will see a join now button. Clicking this will take you directly into the meeting space without any additional approvals, and that's all it takes. You're now ready to participate in your Google Meet session. Make sure to check your audio and video settings as you enter the meeting to ensure that everything is working correctly. Once inside, you'll be able to see and interact with other participants, share your screen and more. By understanding these straightforward steps, you can confidently join any Google Meet session you're invited to, making remote collaboration a seamless part of your day. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your next Google Meet invitation with ease. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Enjoy your meeting.